Well, it's a gorgeous day today, and we're getting ready to head out down into the draw and start using our new humongous chipper. See what accidents we can get into today. What a gorgeous day. And I've developed shingles. I have been so stressed since December 2nd, but it's in a very small area, and I will see how that goes. But here we go. I'm going to be following hubby. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Okay, we started more clearing in a different little area. Hopefully we'll work our way through the other side. We just kind of focus on like a little 100 by 100 area, and then that's it for the day, so we don't get too tired. We opened all this up. We left the big trees, but it's all opened up now. Hopefully, if a fire comes through, it won't be so bad. Now we still have to get, there's a lot of limbs and stuff in here that we're going to clean out. We're going to clean this, but there's a driveway over there and the driveway that we're on. So between those two driveways, we're just going to work in this one area here slowly, just a couple hours a day. But so far, I can't believe the difference. And you know, that chipper was a hell of a lot of money. It was $2,000, and it has paid. It has already paid for itself today. Now we're going to be taking out a few more of these trees here, but most of it is the stuff that's on the ground we're going to get. And we're chipping up, we're cutting the limbs off about, I don't know, 4 feet off the ground, because that's a fire hazard too. If you want to have a healthy forest, I mean, you know, this looks nice, but then I turn around and we have all this. So that's why we're doing it in grids, like 100 by 100 or something like that. We're just doing a little at a time. But we are very happy with what it's done so far today. We are very happy with that machine. It's got a nice clear view. Looks really nice. It's going to take us quite a while, but we're not going to get overtired or anything like that. So I hope this helps, guys. That is an awesome chipper, and if you have the money and if you have the thick forest that we have, it will pay for itself. It's an automatic feeder. We just put it in and it just sucks it in. We've been cutting trees 6 inches across and throwing them in. But we're very happy with it. So if you're looking for a chipper and you have the money, we suggest that chipper. It's very, very good. Have a cool day, guys.